Friends, exercise 5.3, it's question number 2. It's question number 2. Find the sum of given below. 7 plus 10 by 10 integer 1 by 2 plus 40 plus 84. हमको इसका सम फाइंड करना है फ्रेंड्स। पहले हमको इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना होगा। 7 here 2 as it is, 10 to the 20 plus 1 21 by 2 14 plus dash 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 84. This is first term, this is second term, this is third term. Its number is n. Friends, a is equal 7, d is equal a2 minus a1, 21 by 2 minus 7. We take here LCM 2. Here 1, 21. Here 2, 40. So answer is 7 by 2. अभी फ्रेंड्स मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट क्या करते हैं कि S84 लिखते हैं। ऐसा नहीं करना है। इसमें we don't know number of this term. हमको इसका नंबर फाइंड करना है। तो सबसे पहले मैंने बेसिक वीडियो में भी आपको बताया है कि अगर सम फाइंड करना है, n नहीं जानते हैं तो n के ऊपर से n फाइंड करो, देन आफ्टर सम फॉर्मूला। इफ यू हैव टू फाइंड द सम, there will be no given value of n. First find the value of n with using the term formula, then after sum formula. Here an is equal a plus n minus 1 into d. Friends, we write here n is equal 84. लास्ट वाले टर्म को n भी बोलते हैं। a84 ऐसा नहीं लिखना है। पूरे an की जगह पे 84 इन प्लेस ऑफ a7 n minus 1 d की जगह पे 7 by 2. नाउ फ्रेंड्स, a84 minus 7 n minus 1 7 by 2. The subtraction is 77. 84 में से 7 जाएगा तो 77 बचेगा। Here n minus 1 into 7 by 2. 77 2 we take in numerator and 7 in denominator, n minus 1. 11 7 ja, so here 7 7 cut. Now 11 2 ja 22 is equal n minus 1. 22 plus 1, 22 plus 1, ये 1 को इधर लाया तो प्लस हो गया, is equal n. So n is equal 23. We find friends the value of n here. अभी हमको पता चल गया है इसके अंदर टोटल 23 टर्म्स है। Now after finding the value of n, we can say here is given total 23 terms. Now friends, here we use the sum formula. Sum formula, Sn is equal n by 2 a plus n. S n की जगह पे क्या लिखेंगे फ्रेंड्स? I write in place of n 23 by 2. The value of a7 and n is 84. Here 23 by 2, do sum of these two, 91. Do multiplication of these two, 23 into 91, 0 3 9 ja 27, 7 carry 2 20. 23 3902. So at last we got the answer 2093 by ओके, सो फ्रेंड्स अगर इसको अभी और डेसिमल फॉर्म में हमको फाइंड करना है तो कर सकते हैं। तो S23 कोई आंसर मिला, सो वी राइट थस the sum of given AB is 2093 by 2, और आप इसको डेसिमल फॉर्म में अगर कन्वर्ट करना चाहते हैं तो हो सकता है here 1 0 2 1 जा 2 0 2 4 जा 8 1 6 1 1 0 4 6 1 by 2। अगर डेसिमल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है तो ऐसे भी हम लिख सकते हैं। ओके, नाउ वी लुक दिस सम फ्रेंड्स, इसमें भी देखो फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकंड टर्म, थर्ड टर्म, जानते हो आप इसका नंबर? नहीं, वी डोंट नो इट्स नंबर, सो राइट हियर an, it is nth term, an is equal 10, here a is equal 34, d is equal a2 minus a1, 32 minus 34, d is equal minus 2. Now friends, we use term formula. Here we write an is equal l is equal 10. हमको a10 नहीं लिखना है, an is equal 10 है, an is equal a plus n minus 1 into d. Don't write this my friend, a10 मत लिखो, wrong है। पूरे an की जगह पे in place of an we substitute 10, a 34, n minus 1, d minus 2, 10 34 minus 2 into n minus 2n minus into minus plus 2. Now do simplify. Then go friends, this 2n I take this side, it became plus 32 plus 2 36, this 10 we take that side, it became minus. देखो इसको इस तरफ लाए, the sign of 2n will be changed, 34 plus 2 36, 10 we take left to right, its sign will be changed. 2n is equal 26, so n is equal 26 by 2, 13 to ja 2 to कर, so n is equal 30, n is equal 30. Now here at last we have to find the value of Sn. Sn is equal, formula है Sn is equal n by 2 a plus n. Friends, इसमें आप वो वाला फॉर्मूला भी यूज कर सकते हैं, Sn is equal n by 2 ब्रैकेट में 2a plus n minus 1 into d. But whenever you have to last term, you can use this formula and get the answer very easily. Sn is equal, ध्यान रखो, n की जगह पे हमने फाइंड किया 13, we find the value of n 13, so write here 13, n की जगह पे 13 in place of a is the first term 34, n is the last term 10. Do simplify of these to 13 by 2, 44, 34 plus 10 44, 22 to ja 2 to cut here, so the multiplication of these two we got here 260 and 26, 286, 260 and 26, 286. So sum of the given is 260, 286 friends. And last we write here, thus the sum of given AP is 286. Now in this sum, this is first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is nth term. we don't know its number. First find its number. A is equal minus 5. B is equal A to minus A1. In place of A to minus 8 minus 5 minus 8 plus 5. The subtraction of these two are minus 3. The value of t we got here minus 3. Friends, इसमें हम n नहीं जानते हैं. First we find the value of n with using the term formula. An is equal minus 230. An is equal a plus n minus 1 into d. पूरे n की जगह पे हम लिखेंगे minus 230 is equal in place of a minus 5 n minus 1 in place of d minus 3. Now here minus 230 minus 5 minus 3 into n minus 3n minus 3 into 1 plus 3. टोटल सिंप्लीफाई करते करके तो भी आंसर आएगा. आप पहले 5 को इधर ले लेंगे तो भी आएगा. Here minus 230. The simplify of these two, write the sign of the greater number. Subtract 5 minus 3 होगा 2. बड़े का साइन बड़े में से छोटे को सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. Whenever the sign are different at the similar term, minus 3n. Now this 3n we take this side, it became plus minus 2 as it is. 2 minus 230 we take left to right, its sign will be changed. Now to simplify of it, here 3n is equal 2 to 8. n is equal 2 to 8 divided by 3. 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12. 12 को हम 3 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. So we can divide this value also by 3. इसके जो डिजिट है उसका सम करो. उसको अगर हम 3 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं तो इसको भी हम 3 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. If the sum of the digit of the given number is divisible by 3, this number is also divisible by 3. So n is equal 3 7 ja 21 1 3 6 ja. So 3 3 का here is 76 term contained in this AP. After finding value of n, Sn is equal n by 2. Here a plus n. S, I substitute 76 in place of n. अभी हमने an फॉर्मूला यूज करके n का वैल्यू फाइंड किया. 76 by 2 in place of a minus 5 plus l का वैल्यू minus 230, so I write direct minus 230. The simplify here is 38 minus 5 minus 2 35. Now do sum of it here, friends. Do sum of it here. Multiplication of it here. 235 into 38. 8 5 is 40, carry 4 out. 8 3 is 34, 4 28, take carry 2, 8 to the 16 plus 2, 18. 0 5 3 is 15, carry 1, 3 is 9 plus 1 10, carry 1, 3 is 6 7. 0 5 plus 8 13, carry 1 is 9, 7 plus 8 7 plus 1 8. So our answer is minus 8930. At last we write the sum of 76 term. Thus the sum of given AP is minus 8930 होगा. Okay, this is the sum of this is the answer of this question. So ended this sum, three sums, friends. Thank you very much.